Working below the glove box, remove the two T20 torque lower trim panel fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. The fasteners shown are Phillip head screws, however they should be T20 torque. Someone has replaced them with the incorrect fasteners. Detach the lower corner of the lower trim piece, red arrow, by pulling it down until the retaining lug disengages. Pull the lower trim panel down from the dashboard far enough to access the footwell light electrical connector as indicated by the yellow arrows. Disconnect the footwell light electrical connector by squeezing the release tab and pulling it straight out of the light. Then remove the trim panel from the vehicle. Be sure to store it in a safe place. Next, the lower blower motor cover, red arrow, has to be removed. Start by pulling the wiring harness out of the retaining tabs, red arrow, then disconnect the electrical connection by squeezing the release tab and pulling it straight out of the blower motor. Working at the blower motor cover, remove the 4 T20 torque fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. Remove the blower motor cover from the blower and store it in a safe place. Leave the blower motor resistor attached to the blower motor for now, yellow arrow. Some blower motors come complete with a resistor and you do not have to remove it. Working at the blower motor, remove the 4 T20 torque fasteners, red arrows. Support the blower motor from below as you remove the final 2 fasteners. Remove the blower motor from the HVAC housing. Once removed, do not store it with the blower cage facing down. If your blower motor did not come with a pre-installed final stage unit, you will have to transfer it over now. Place the blower motor on a workbench on the floor of the vehicle as shown. Disconnect the blower motor final stage unit electrical connector, red arrows, by squeezing the release tabs and pulling it straight out of the blower motor final stage unit. Then remove the 2 T20 torque fasteners as indicated by the yellow arrows. Remove the final stage unit from the blower motor and transfer it over to your new motor. If you are performing this repair due to a blower motor noise or vibration, inspect the blower motor cage, red arrow, for damage or debris. If damaged, try to locate what came in contact with the cage to cause the damage. If there is debris, clean it out. Then clean out the HVAC housing. Once clean, reinstall it and check to see if the vibration is gone. If not, replace the blower motor. If you need to clean out your blower motor housing, reach up into the housing, red arrow, and clear the debris. Then remove the cabin filter and work your way towards the blower motor cavity, removing any debris as you go. Please see the link at the end of this video on cabin microfilter replacement. Install the blower motor in the reverse order of removal. Be sure that the blower motor aligns properly and all wires are routed as they were before. Install the interior trim panels and confirm the proper blower operation. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.